In 2026, the journey of learning to code is a complex landscape filled with both challenges and opportunities. Aspiring coders find themselves in a world dominated by rapidly evolving technologies, where programming languages are not only evolving, but also becoming more integrated with artificial intelligence. The initial steps require a strong foundation in problem-solving skills, as understanding the logic behind coding is essential, much like learning a new language. The importance of hands-on practice cannot be overstated. Online platforms provide countless resources, simulating real-life projects that mimic the demands of the tech industry. As learners dive deeper into their coding journey, they encounter a plethora of frameworks and libraries that can initially overwhelm them. The array of choices often leaves newcomers questioning which ones to focus on. However, this is where personalized learning comes into play. By leveraging adaptive learning platforms that cater to individual progress, students can tailor their experiences, allowing them to master skills at their own pace. The supportive online communities act as both a shield against isolation and a channel for collaboration, fostering an environment where questions can be asked without hesitation and knowledge can be shared just as freely. One of the most profound changes seen in 2026 is the shift towards coding being seen as a necessary skill rather than an optional one. From children in primary school to adults in continued education, coding literacy is increasingly emphasized across curriculums. Tech bootcamps have evolved to become more accessible, offering intensive programs that attract diverse participants, enabling all backgrounds to embark on a coding career. This democratization of coding presents a mixed bag. While it fuels diversity, it demands resilience and adaptability from learners in a competitive job market where innovation is key. As learners transition from classroom-based education to real-world applications, they must also navigate the chaotic landscape of job opportunities. Companies prioritize candidates who not only possess coding skills, but can also adapt swiftly to technology changes. Networking and continuous learning play pivotal roles in career advancement. Ultimately, the reality of learning to code in 2026 is not just about acquiring technical skills. It's about cultivating a mindset that thrives on innovation, collaboration, and continuous adaptation, ensuring coders are not only participants, but leaders in this tech-driven world.